Hello everyone, this is Noah from Jinzhou Zhitao Tower Factory. Our main products are microfiber cleaning towel. We had been doing this business for our 15 years and we have gathered much experience and production and development. Today I want to promote one of our favorite products, ageless microfiber cleaning towel. For this one is made by 80% polyester and 20% polyamide. The size is 16-inch by 16-inch, 400 GSM. What's the means of the GSM? GSM means per gram square meter. For these products details, look at this. One side is the long pile and another side is the short pile. It touched very smooth and very soft and breathable for the absorbent. And the colors available for orange, sky blue, yellow and green. We usually to produce that colors. Why they call it the ageless microfiber towel? Just because they use the ageless for protect the car paint, for use for the car detailing, for protect the car paint. Also, this product has a multi-purpose used for glasses and auto glass and automobile paint, for protect leather, furniture clean, and car clean, and so on. Also, this towel is economic, used for the household. It's very economic. Welcome to inquire our products. Thank you so much.